Do you have the courage to learn how to sing? My name is Lorraine DePire and I'm an empowerment coach and also a professional singer. And perhaps you've come to this video because you've always longed to be able to sing. You've always yearned to be able to join a choir or sing at a karaoke, or perhaps you want to sing to your spouse or your children. Do not worry, the doctor is in. It's been my privilege to teach and facilitate literally thousands of people in learning to sing. And I'm going to give you one very simple, very crazy little thing that you can do right now, and you're going to do it actually with me. Do not hesitate, just do what I do. What I want you to do is to be as silly as possible for about 5 seconds. So here we go. Come on, do it. Just do it. Don't think about it. Meow, 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 meow. Because what you're doing in doing that is you're breaking down the space. You're making it safe for yourself to express yourself. Now, if you like what I've just said to you and you feel an affinity with what I'm saying, then I would like you to click on the links, because the thing is that it will reverberate through your life, not only in your singing, but in all aspects of your life. You will feel more confident. Thank you so much for listening.